Big political war breaks out over exit poll projections. India Today Access My India survey projected 361, to 401 seats for the NDA and 131 to 166 seats for the India bloc in 2024 Lok Sabha elections. This triggered a massive political war, and the opposition alliance has rejected these exit poll numbers. India bloc has claimed that they are winning at least 295 seats and will form the government at the centre. Congress's Wayanad and Raebareli candidate Rahul Gandhi mocked the exit poll numbers and called them Modi media poll. AAP National Coordinator, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has rejected them, calling them fake while asserting confidence in winning 400 seats. The BJP has hit out at the opposition for doubting every institution of the country.
इसका नाम एग्जिट पोल नहीं है, इसका नाम मोदी मीडिया पोल है। ये मोदी जी का पोल है, फैंटेसी पोल है उनका।
सर कितनी सीटें आ रही हैं आपके हिसाब से?
सिद्धू मूसेवाला का सॉन्ग सुना आपने? 295।
आपने पहले ईवीएम पे डाउट उठाया था, आपने कहा ईवीएम ठीक नहीं है। किसी ने पूछा जब आपको ये चुनाव जीतते हैं तब ईवीएम ठीक कैसे होते हैं? स्टेट असेंबली इलेक्शन अगर आप जीतते हैं। दूसरा उन्होंने कहा कि ये आप ये करने जा रहे हैं, वो करने जा रहे हैं। देखिए, इलेक्शन कमीशन का एग्जिट पोल से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है। दूसरा, आंकड़े उनको पसंद इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि उनके पास चुनाव के दौरान कोई सही मुद्दे थे नहीं। बट इसमें थोड़ा सा जो राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा ना कि एग्जिट पोल का रिकाउंट होना चाहिए, वो लेवल वही है उनका।
चुनाव खत्म हो चुका है और बहुत सारे एग्जिट पोल तरह तरह की जानकारी दे रहे हैं। भाजपा ने देश में सौहार्द बिगाड़ा, भाईचारा खत्म किया, जाति के खिलाफ जाति, संप्रदाय के खिलाफ संप्रदाय लड़वाया, संविधान द्वारा दिए गए आरक्षण को साजिशन खत्म करने के लिए बेरोजगारों से छल किया।
Let him be happy for the 2 days at least. And why you are trying to break his happiness? Let him be happy for 2 days. You media people, you don't want to even that 2 days he should not be happy. Let him be happy. Let him dream, and people will decide, and people have already decided.
मेरे से लिखवा लो, सारे एग्जिट पोल फर्जी हैं, बिल्कुल फर्जी हैं। एक एग्जिट पोल वाले ने राजस्थान में टोटल 25 सीट है, उसमें 25 में से 33 दे दिए उन्होंने बीजेपी को। असली मुद्दा ये है, इनको गिनती से 3 दिन पहले फर्जी एग्जिट पोल कराने की क्या जरूरत थी?
I never take Rahul Gandhi seriously because he tries to ridicule the agencies and the media. They want media to be their family media. If any media house is independent, then Rahul Gandhi tries to make fun of them. The exit polls are conducted by professional people. I may agree or I may not agree, but you must respect the hard work done by the television channels, the agencies, who had done some kind of a scientific research and activities in terms of coming to the exit polls.
What are your expectations for tomorrow, ma'am? Any comments, please?
Ma'am, exit polls are giving majority to NDA.
We just have to wait and see.
I strongly condemn the effort to put pressure on the media, the effort to try and paint the media black and to undermine the work that the media is doing. We strongly condemn the Congress party and the toolkit and their associates who are working against India's interests and are damaging India's credibility, India's rich tradition of democracy across the world.
Every day is not Sunday, brother. They think that Karnataka, what they have reached last assembly election, they are in the hangover. But that is not the reality. This is the election for country security. What all the reaction from our opposition friends, it will not going to helpful to them.
Maushmi is getting asked more details on that big story. Maushmi, in fact, the opposition has rejected the exit polls from the word go and weren't expecting anything different. But talk to us a little about the number of 295 that the Congress has been talking about. What's the inside track? How confident are they really?
So clearly, lately this number is being flaunted by all opposition leaders that, the India bloc specifically, that is going to cross the 295 figure mark. And that is way beyond the majority figure that one needs to form the government. And even, Rahul Gandhi repeated that number today. This after the brainstorming session that the India bloc had, the brainstorming session where Akhilesh Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav, T.R. Balu, and all the regional leaders, in fact, gave in certain figures from their states, taking a real-time feedback on the ground in terms of what are the figures that they are getting. And then that added up to 295. Like Akhilesh said, he's getting a 40 in UP. Tejasvi said he's getting a 20 to 22 in Bihar. And if you look at West Bengal, then they are hopeful of getting a figure of 12 to 15 in West Bengal, including the TMC. So those are staggering figures, 15 in Karnataka for that matter, and 8 in Rajasthan. Those are the figures that have added up to the 295 figure mark. And that's one reason that, you can see all the India party leaders saying that the exit polls are rigged and it's the end of the Modi era tomorrow as the results roll out. So one will have to wait and see, because this political slugfest will continue till tomorrow. Perhaps by 12 noon, we'll get a very clear picture whether this dance of democracy really worked in favor for the BJP to strike a hat trick.
Thank you, Mosmi, for the moment, for getting us those details. Mosmi saying with that report as to what the India bloc really is now thinking about these numbers.